We've had the solar system felt board for a year now, and it has honestly gotten so much use in our house. My son is obsessed with space, and this has been one of those toys that he keeps coming back to over and over again. It comes with a felt board in 61 felt pieces, including the planets, the sun, astronauts, rockets, and other fun space elements. It also has the names of the planets, the sun, the moon, and the dwarf planets, so that has been so helpful for recognizing the spelling of each one. The felt board is a really nice large size and everything sticks well to it, but it's also really easy for kids to take things off and move them around. What I love most is how open-ended it is. My son uses his imagination to create his own space stories, set up the solar system in different ways, and act out little adventures with the planets. It's one of those toys that has grown with him, and he's used it in so many different ways. It works really well for learning, but also for creative storytelling and independent play. After years of use, it's still holding up well and remains a favorite. If you have a space-loving kid, this is such a fun and educational toy to have on hand.